this could only have been possible if the video was received directly from the source. Yes?
I heard him say that. I don't know if that's true or if that's possible because it didn't come from me. I was flying.
Tremaine
so I know that's incorrect is what I mean to say.
This is the exact moment that convinced the jury to let Johnny Depp walk away with a win and $50 million. Johnny's lawyer, Camille Vasquez, expertly cornered Amber Heard through a tough sequence of questions to get her to lie constantly and then call her out directly on that. Amber's coping mechanism? To blame it on someone else or call someone else a liar, but did not fly with Miss Vasquez at all, who pressed her on another occasion and said,
"So you're accusing Mr. Knight of testifying and committing perjury?"
I'm not accusing anyone. I just don't recognize that man.
This wasn't the only moment where Miss Vasquez exposed Amber for the liar that she was. She was very straightforward about it when she opened her line of questioning by saying, regarding the incident at Hicksville where Amber claimed Johnny held a woman's wrist and threatened to break it, Miss Vasquez inquired,
"Your former best friend, Rocky Pennington, she didn't corroborate that, did she?"
I'm not quite sure what part of that night she saw. There were a lot of people there.
Yet another dishonest answer was uncovered by the competent Miss Vasquez. The grilling didn't end there. Miss Vasquez pressed on. Regarding the paparazzi showing up at the courthouse, Miss Vasquez yet again took an aggressive stance. Take a look at this sequence of events.
Jury, that you had no idea the press was going to be at the courthouse when you got your TRO on May 27th, 2016. Do you remember that testimony?
I said I did not have anything to do with it. Yes.
No. My question again. You told this jury that you had no idea that the press was going to be outside after you got the ex-parte TRO on May 27th, 2016. Do you remember that testimony?
This line of questioning was part of the tense cross-examination from Depp's attorney, during which Heard was questioned about an alleged tip-off to the showbiz gossip site TMZ before she appeared in a Los Angeles court to file a restraining order. In this exchange, Vasquez challenged Heard about an apparent lack of bruises on her face in several photographs taken soon after an alleged incident in which Heard described Depp beating her. Heard's attorneys asked her if she'd ever faked bruises and or altered photos documenting abuse allegedly inflicted by Depp during the relationship. We all saw Johnny Depp's legal team celebrate when Amber mentioned Kate Moss in one of her statements, and on this cross-examination, we learned why.
This jury under oath that you punched Mr. Depp because you thought of Mr. Depp pushing Kate Moss down the stairs. You didn't expect Miss Moss to agree to testify that never happened, did you?
Incorrect. I know how many people will come out of the woodwork to be in support of Johnny.
So you think Miss Moss needs to come out of the woodwork to testify for Mr. Depp?
In order to show the jury how easy it is for Amber Heard to lie directly to them. Miss Heard's testimony on Wednesday also led to a tense exchange with Mr. Depp's now viral lawyer over an image of spilled wine. It's one of several pictures Miss Heard has presented, allegedly from a huge fight the couple had in 2016, which ended with Mr. Depp assaulting her. At one point, Miss Heard turned to jurors and claimed the photos had been redacted or edited by Mr. Depp's lawyers to benefit her ex-husband's case. To this, Miss Vasquez responded. During the same line of questioning later on, when Miss Heard pressed Miss Vasquez regarding the metadata of the same picture, Miss Vasquez made it clear to the jury who the liar was by saying, Heard has testified to more than a dozen incidents of physical abuse she claims she suffered at Depp's hands. Depp claims she was the abuser in the relationship and has denied ever striking her. Throughout her testimony, Ms. Heard repeatedly denied accusations she was lying or misled jurors during the trial, but was unable to move the jury. All of these moments combined are a clear indication that Amber Heard committed perjury, and Camille Vasquez was able to establish this in front of the jury without a shadow of a doubt. This is why during her closing arguments, Miss Vasquez said,
"That all this proves is that Mr. Waldman believes Miss Heard has committed perjury."
Camille put the final nail in Amber's coffin through this powerful closing argument, stating, "The jury will start their deliberations soon, and almost everyone is certain that Johnny Depp will stand victorious." Well, that's it for this video. Hope to see you in my other videos. Bye!